4, stand up tall. 5, 6, 7, 8, nice. All right, ready? Here we go again. 8. That's why, go heavy. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right. One more set. This time we're just going to alternate. So we've got 1, 2, take your time, please. Breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How's my counting so far? Good. 8. Woo! All right. I'm changing to 5 pounds. All right, feet apart a little bit. So we're just basically doing an upright row. If you want, you can add a little bend there, okay? 3 sets of 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woo! Ooh, a couple neck rolls in there. Why not? We gotta throw something a little bit fun in there in between. Ready? Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Nice, last set. Here we go. 1. Keep it close. 2, 3, 4. Feel the burn. 5, 6. 2 more. 7, 8. Woo! So in between little arm circles, come on. Then reverse it. All right, gonna grab a little bit heavier for the first round. Now we're doing an overhead shoulder press, okay? So come here, all the way up. All right, grab what's good for you. Ready? So 8. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. All right, now put them down nice. Shake it out in between. All right, I'm switching back to 5 for a set. Here we go, 8. Straight up. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Woo! Relax. Do some shoulder shrugs. All right, one more time, right? Woo! 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Woo-hoo! All right. So let's do some triceps. So let's just mix it up a little. All right. So your center, you're going side to side. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Whew. By 7, it's a little tough. 1 more. 8. Woo. All right, put them down nice. So I want you to grab a little bit lighter because they're going to go a little faster. So we curl, press it back, right? So curl, press it back. Keep going. Arms straight back. Give me 4 more. Woo! All right. Now, go to 5 pounds. All right, so we are slightly leaning forward, bent over a little bit. So you're gonna fly and bring it down. You fly, bring it down. All right, so let's try 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your chin up. 6. Make sure your back is flat. 7, 8. Rest. 2 more sets. 2 more sets. All right, flat back. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. All right, I'm going for the 8. Last time. All right. right, last time. You can do it. Hot, hot, hot. All right, flat back. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, control it, 7, 8. How you feeling? Woo! Shake out those arms. Oh yeah. Awesome. You made it. Woo! Out. And in. Nice big circles.